look, this happens all the time with women. Sometimes they're just being nice and you're like, yo, she probably likes me. You make the move and now she rejects you and you're all confused. Or sometimes she's flirting with you crazy and you think, oh, she's just being nice. She's just being friendly. No. This girl is in love with you. Well, today, boys, I'm going to give you clear signs that she actually likes you and she's just not being nice. Which takes us on to number one. They're very touchy. On average, most people, they like their personal space, even with close friends. See, I think the current statistic is that if we're just acquaintances, you usually want anywhere from 4 to 5 feet between you and an acquaintance. If you're close friends, you'll want about 2 to 3 feet. This is a comfortable space. But if you're more than that, you'll be anything less than 3 feet. This is when things start to get tense. And if they go and actually break that barrier, that 3-foot barrier, by touching your arm, your hand, saying, haha, you're always so funny, or giving you those deep bear hugs when she sees you for the first time again, this girl likes you. She ain't just being friendly. 2, they remember everything. And I'm not just saying your birthday. I'm talking about they remember every single little detail. They know why you're sad. They know why you're happy. They know about that big interview you have. They know about that big project you have. They know that you just aced your test. They know every single little detail you've probably told them. They remember. And see, when somebody has that level of care, you got to understand they're not just being friendly at this point. They're fully invested. Number 3, they take care of their appearance. Even in situations when they shouldn't be looking that good. See, if they always look good around you, and I'm talking about they always wear good stuff that makes their body look good, or they're always wearing makeup, or their hair's always done, this is a strong sign they like you, especially in the gym. You'll see this happen in the gym all the time. You'll see girls pull up with makeup and their hair done in the whole night. And honestly, you should care for yourself too. This is a two-way street. See, you'll be signaling to her, like when you take care of yourself, you're going to be signaling to more girls that, yo, you're a prize. And the best way to take care of yourself is right here. This. That's what you got to take care of. And with our sponsor, Geology, I got you taken care of. See, most of you don't have a good skincare. And that's why your skin, your face, doesn't look as good as it possibly can. There's unevenness, there's a lot of texture, there's a lot of zits, there's a lot of scars, it's ashy, it's dry. You need to be able to fix that. You want that flawless, perfect skin that makes you look irresistible. And with Geology, you get just that. See, because unlike other skincare systems, Geology is custom made. What that means is that when you sign up to Geology, there's going to be a link down below. You're going to have a consultation with a skin professional that's going to look at your skin and see what your problem is. What are you dealing with? What do you want to solve? And what's your skin type? See, this is what most brands don't understand. My skin type is completely different than your skin type. So the product that I use is not going to work for you because you have a different skin type. Geology understands this and then designs a skincare system specifically for you and specifically for your goals. That weren't enough. I'm about to hook you up. I'm actually about to change your life. See, if you guys click the link down below and go to geology.com/TMF, you're going to get, listen to this. This is honestly insane. 70. You heard me right. 70% off your first month. Yo, if you don't have a skincare system, if you've never taken care of your skin, matter of fact, even if you have and you want a better one, your skin's going to thank me for it. If you want to look as handsome as possible, click that link down below. Take advantage of that 70% off. I don't know how it lasts that long. It used to be 30, so 70 is ridiculous. It's basically a gift. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, they make it known that they're single. No, and I'm not talking about that they're just venting. Like if they constantly talk about, oh, that they don't have a boyfriend, or that they broke up, or that no guy understands her, or that it's hard for them to find somebody, that they just want somebody good to date. It's getting old. It's like a broken record, right? She's signaling to you, bro. She wants you to be that boyfriend. Especially if she had the courage to take it an extra step and even ask you what your current status is. If she does that and asks you, yo, do you have a girlfriend? Are you looking at anybody? Are you yeah, she's not just being your friend. Number 5, they ask for help, like a lot. Well, whether you're at work or at class, if they're constantly coming and asking you for help on problems, even the simple stuff that she should know already, or the stuff that you've already explained but she continues to ask for, she's playing dumb, bro. She's just looking for time to be close to you. Another way that they'll come and ask you for help is just with daily advice, like, yo, they'll ask you, like, what's the best movie to watch now, or best bars to go to, or best restaurant to go to that's nearby. If she's always asking you what's the best thing to do outside of work or school, yo, like, take a hint. You take her. Be like, yo, XYZ is the best. Let me take you. And finally, number 6, they'll give it away with their body language. language. This is the easiest body language little trick or hack to know. It's with their phone. See, we are cyborgs at this point. Like, our phone is literally an extension of our arm, and without it, we don't live, right? If she puts that thing down for the entirety of your conversation with her, that's her telling you that you have her entire attention. See, most women will never put that thing down. They'd rather be on their phone than talk to any creep that comes up to her. But if she'll talk to you without any hesitation or interruption from her phone or anything else, that's letting you know she likes you, bro. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Geologie. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.